What's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's having a good weekend. We're recording this on Sunday. It'll probably be a week behind, but we'll see. I know I got a few videos to edit. I'm trying to get caught up, and I'm just trying to get work done. Editing takes a lot of time. So anyways, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out the channel. We got a bunch of projects on here from, there's probably 50 something videos on this bug. And then I do tool restorations also, and there's a lot of videos on those. So if you want to go back and check out those videos, that'd be amazing. You can see we started with a running car, and now we're at primer, well, sanding. We're going to be doing sanding today. And then once we get it sanded, we can paint it, clear coat it, and then we got to do the same with the body panels, because my garage isn't big enough to do it all at once. And then we will put it back together. Should be exciting. If you could, take a minute, subscribe if you're not subscribed. Like, comment, tell me what you think about the show or the channel, the videos, any improvements, what you don't like. It doesn't matter, I read it all. And we'll get right to it. We're going to be doing some sanding. Okay, got some sanding done. Good news is this stuff sands like butter. Bad news is I do have some low spots, but I have some glazing putty that I'm going to use for that. And this isn't going to be a show car, this is going to be a driver, so we're not making it perfect. It's going to be as good as I can get it. It's my first time doing paint work, so, but I'll show you a couple of the spots real quick. So if you look, you see the dark spots? That's a low spot. That one's right there is pretty bad. There's a little one right there. A little one. Why is my color all jacked up? There's a little one. You can see it. Hope you can see it. Anyways, I'm gonna keep sanding. Okay, so we found some low spots. You can see we're starting to come through the primer here. That's a high spot, high spot. This was a whole replacement panel, and it was off a used car, so but we have a low spot here. Little low, little low, low, and low and high. And as you move back, it's a low spot. There's another low spot, low spot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some glazing putty. Oh, let me climb through my hole. We're gonna use this U-Pole Dolphin Glaze. It's the glaze and the catalyst. I think that's the hardener, whatever it is. So we're going to use these two, and we're going to make a light glaze that we can go over those little low spots and try to make it a little bit better. It's not going to be perfect, but we can make it better. So let me mix some stuff up, and then I'll turn you back on. This is what happens when you put too much hardener or you take too long. It gets hard on you. We'll get this cleaned off, make some more, come back. A lot of these spots done. I'll probably have to go over it again. I am going to have to prime it again. I'm going to use a primer surfacer or primer sealer and then paint it right after that, so it'll have a chemical bond instead of a mechanical bond. It's the same thing on the other side. You can see it started to dry up on me here. It got chunky. It'll be alright. Ain't gonna be perfect. It'll be good enough for me. Alright, I'm gonna call it a night, and I will be back here tomorrow after work. I'll see you in a minute. For a second. A millisecond? I don't know. I'm back. I just got off work. It's Tuesday? Something like that. Tuesday or Wednesday. No, I'm sure it's Tuesday. But we're going to do a little bit of sanding. So let's get right to it. I'm going to start at like 120 grit, go to 220, 320, then 400. Then we'll do the whole car in 400. I have to look at the primer. It might be 220, then prime it again, then do the whole car in 400 to 600, and then paint. So you just work your way up. Okay. Looks like I was snorting cocaine. I was not. I was sanding. I got all these sanded down to 120. You can see where I went through the primer, but we're going to do another coat of primer sealer, the primer surfacer. I think they're pretty much the same thing. Look, it made a smiley face when I sanded through. Smiley! But it's all pretty good. There is some spots I need to clean up this edge. I'll do that. I need to sand it back down to 220 before I prime it again. Then I gotta go up to 600. But it's about dinner time. It took me a while to sand that, so I'm gonna go take a shower and eat some dinner. And then I will see you guys tomorrow in like 1 second. Okay, so we got this all sanded. My daughter's boyfriend and my daughter helped. This is to 220. You can see we went through some high spots. So I'm gonna primer surfacer it. 2 coats of that, and then we'll sand it to 600, and then we'll shoot paint. So I'm probably not gonna record the spraying the primer, but I'll bring you back probably for sanding and then paint, of course. Okay, so I don't know where I left off. I think I was just about the primer, maybe. Anyways, we got the primer done. Everything looks pretty good. All the body work looks pretty good. I don't see any, you know, nothing pops out at me. There's a couple of runs. Sorry I'm moving around so much. Just trying to show you this. Got a run here. A run up here. And I think there was one more somewhere else. It looks pretty good. We're gonna hit it with some 6 or 400 grit, and then some 600 grit, and then slap some paint on it. That's the goal for today: paint and clear coat. You have to wait 2 hours after you paint to clear coat, so as long as everything goes well, it should be done by dinner. Fingers crossed. But I might show you a little bit of the sanding, and then we'll do some recording of the paint and stuff. But I'm gonna have to take a break. My wife is in the hospital, so she gets out today, so I gotta pick her up. Hopefully surprise her with some paint, you know. Anyways, we'll get to it. What's up? I don't know where we were on this video, so right now I'm in the process of getting the bug outside. Oh, it's covered up. And I'm going to put a tarp over that. And then we have space to do the body panels. So let's look at some paint real quick. Ready for it? What do you think? Look good? I love it. There's a few runs we got to fix. Let's go look at the quarter panels real quick. Oh yeah. You can see your reflection. Alright, we're going to end this video here. And thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I truly appreciate it. Hit the like, comment, subscribe, all that. Check out my GoFundMe at the top of the pinned comments. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.